Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today, we're learning some new verbs. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
In isiZulu, we use ngiyafuna to say I want, ngiyathanda to say I like, and ngiyadinga to say I need. But now we're going to build out the sentence. So we take away this ya and we just say ngifuna, ngithanda, and ngidinga. Abuti, how do we say I want water?
Ngifuna amanzi.
And how do we say I want food?
Ngifuna ukudla.
And how do we say I like water?
Ngithanda amanzi.
And I like food?
Ngithanda ukudla.
Now, how do we say I need water?
Ngidinga amanzi.
And I need food?
Ngidinga ukudla.
So to say I want, we say ngifuna. And to say I like, we say ngithanda. And to say I need, we say ngidinga. And now you can use these verbs to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti.
Salani kahle.